did it. Got the 5 hundo. That's with a 2.5 inch pipe. So people say that our production kit won't make any power. It'll make it at 30 pounds of boost. That's a one bad pro motor right there. We got another one. Wait to see what this bad boy is gonna do, because he's getting the same thing.